Are you tired of alcohol holding you back? It's time for a change. First, set a clear goal. Write it down and keep it where you can see it every day. Next, seek support. Talk to friends, family, or join a support group. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Third, identify your triggers. Avoid places and situations where you're tempted to drink. Find new, healthy habits to replace drinking. Exercise, hobbies, or learning something new can be great distractions. Keep track of your progress. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small they seem. And don't be too hard on yourself if you stumble. Every step forward is a victory. Lastly, stay positive. Believe in yourself and your ability to change. You've got this. Let's toast to a healthier, happier you with something non-alcoholic, of course. Cheers to your new journey. In this chapter, we will dive deeper into the strategies and tips for quitting alcohol. We will explore various methods, support systems, and personal stories to help you on your journey to sobriety. First, let's talk about mindfulness and meditation. These practices can be incredibly powerful in managing cravings and reducing stress. Start with just a few minutes a day, focusing on your breath and letting go of any thoughts about drinking. Over time, you'll find that these moments of peace can help you stay grounded and committed to your goals. Next, consider professional help. Therapists and counselors who specialize in addiction can provide you with personalized strategies and a safe space to discuss your challenges. Don't hesitate to seek their expertise. It's a sign of strength to ask for help. Now let's hear from Emma, who successfully quit drinking after struggling for years. I realized I needed to change when I saw how my drinking was affecting my relationships and career, Emma shares. Joining a support group was a game changer for me. Hearing others' stories and sharing my own made me feel understood and less alone. Another effective strategy is to keep a journal. Document your thoughts, feelings, and progress. Writing can be a therapeutic way to process your journey and reflect on how far you've come. Lastly, surround yourself with positivity. Create a supportive environment by spending time with people who encourage your sobriety. Fill your life with activities and hobbies that bring you joy and fulfillment. Remember, quitting alcohol is not just about stopping drinking, it's about creating a life you love. Embrace these strategies, seek support, and stay patient with yourself. Your journey to sobriety is unique, and every step you take brings you closer to a healthier, happier you. Stay strong, stay positive, and know that you are not alone. Together, we can achieve anything. Cheers to a brighter future.